What is a Car Lab Essential Ceramic Coating Package? Well, in this video, we're going to break down what's included, the benefits of it, and why it's one of the most trusted packages here at Car Lab Detailers. Our Essential Ceramic Coating is one of the most popular packages, and that's for good reason. It's designed for owners who want the perfect balance of long-term protection, incredible gloss, and real value. Like every ceramic coating service here at Car Lab, everything starts with proper preparation. We start with the wheels and tires, making sure that we remove any iron, built-up dirt, or debris. We're also going to hit those wheel wells while we're here as well. Next, we're going to move on to the engine bay, making sure that there's no debris that's going to get in your coating. Next is our triple decontamination wash. It's going to be a very simple 2-bucket hand wash to remove all the dirt and debris on the paint. After we remove all the stuff you can see, we're going to remove all the stuff you can't. So it's going to be an iron remover and clay bar step after that. Now that everything is rinsed, it's time to dry and tape off the entire vehicle. This makes sure that anything we don't want to polish or to touch is not going to get touched. Now, the paint correction process removes roughly 65 to 75% of swirl marks and light scratches on the vehicle, restoring a bright clarity and creating a clean, refined finish. This step is critical because it creates a great foundation for an amazing coating. During paint correction, we're also going to address any minor rock chips using factory matched paint. Each chip is touched up and sealed, helping create a complete finish before protection is applied. Next comes the ceramic coating. We're going to apply Nova Ceramic Coating by Nebula Ceramics. This coating is going to bond directly to your paint, creating a durable, long-lasting layer of protection. And we don't just stop at the paint. We can also coat the glass, the trim, and your wheel faces, giving your entire vehicle hydrophobic protection, easier maintenance, and a deeper, more consistent gloss from every single angle. This package is designed for owners who truly care about their vehicle. Whether it's your daily driver, a show vehicle, or something you plan to keep long-term, this is for people who want real protection without going all the way to our highest tier package. Now let's talk about the benefits. With this package, you're going to get easier washing, deeper, richer gloss, UV protection, resistance to staining and etching, and long-lasting hydrophobic performance, all designed to keep your vehicle looking better for longer. Most essential ceramic coating services take 2 to 3 days, depending on the vehicle's condition and size. Pricing will vary, and you can find full details on our website. At the end of the day, this package is for drivers who expect more. More gloss, more protection, and more confidence in how your vehicle looks and holds up over time. We want you to smile every time you look at your vehicle. At Car Lab, we focus on precision, care, and doing things the right way, so your vehicle not only looks better when it leaves us, but it stays that way. If you want to learn more or get your vehicle protected, you can request a quote through our website or reach out to us directly. We're always happy to help. And guys, if you have any questions or comments about our Essential Ceramic Coating Package, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.